Hello, my name is Ahmad Surya Aditya. Good afternoon, everyone. Imagine you are sitting here listening to me. You feel fine and everything seems okay, but suddenly um, you start to feel a little uncomfortable. Your entire body starts sweating. Your breathing becomes so rapid that your throat hurts. You are gasping air, and your heart is beating so hard that you think it will burst out of your chest. For a moment, you feel like you are going to die horrible. Right. What would you think was happening to you? Do you think you're having heart attack? Most people think that. However, many people have was to the hospital only to find that there was nothing psychically wrong with them. In many cases, the test even showed that their heart was very strong. What could cause such severe cycle symptoms? Surprisingly, a common mental illness called panic attack mental illness. Panic mental illness uh, often manifests itself in cycle ways, and this highlights the importance of caring for our mental health. Why? Because our mental health can have a profound effect on our psychical health. But unfortunately, people usually pay a lot more attention to their bodies than their minds, and this is something I noticed when I became a doctor. Let's look at this picture. Look at this picture. This is where I work. I used to work the Department of Psychology in a public hospital, and there are lots of patients waiting to see the doctor every day. Let's look at other department dealing with cycle issues. See to find times more people are waiting. Uh, More people are waiting, and there is a psychiatrist. I see many patients of different age, profession, and levels of experience every day. I found that everyone knows how to maintain their psychical health, uh, but uh, does does anyone know how to maintain our mental health? Most people know nothing about this. Even though it is just as important as staying psychically healthy. Healthy parents teach us cycle hygiene when we are children, but does anyone teach us about psychological hygiene? You really not. It's that fact that our psychical health is treated as more important than our mental health. Um, when we have a cut of when we have a cut on our skins, we all know we have to sterilize and cover to avoid of getting infected. But in fact, in fact, we encounter psychological injuries more than cycle ones, such as failure, rejections, loneliness, or isolation. If we ignore these psychological problems, our ability to cope with the normal stress of life, work production, and our psychical health will be affected. The effects of psychological problem of psychical health can be even seen in animals. Animals whose movements was restricted or who were separated from their families or just 1 hour a day for 2 weeks, started to show cycle symptoms such as stomach and so much ERS. So, should we be surprised then that humans also start to display cycle symptoms as a result of mental trauma? Not really. Um, Psychological injuries can get worse if we ignore them, and they can impact our lives in dramatic ways. We all know doubt so during COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. So why do mental health issues often untreated? Unfortunately, it's because stigma attached to the mental illness. And this is something we must overcome as a social mental health. It's just as important, if not more important than psycho health. Getting help with mental illness is no more shameful than going to the hospital with a broken leg. Here is one example that shows how mental health issues and how serious mental issues can be, but also shows the benefit of getting help. I started to work in a private clinic 2 years ago, which gave me more opportunity to work with teenagers. Anna is a 15 years old girl who studied to have severe headaches. Um, Anna had been dancing since she was child and had won many awards. She was proud of herself as well as her family. However, she failed perform well in a very important competition and totally blame herself. From then on, she became very nervous and kept telling herself not to make the same mistake again. But it didn't work. Her performance got worse and worse, accompanied by her headaches, and she gave up dancing, which she used to love, and her family doesn't understand how just the one unsuccessful competition uh, could have such a negative effect. As we know, we have a default set of feelings and beliefs that get triggered whenever we encounter frustration. If your brain tries to convince you that you are incapable of something and you believe it will start to feel help, uh, and if we are convinced by our brain, it's hard to change our mind. See how easy it is for your brain to trick you. This is not limited to young people. Adults are often tricked by their brains too. Just like other negative emotions failures creates a deep psychological wounds. This through our perceptions and thinking. It not only cause psychological disease such as depression, anxiety, and sleep and eating disorder, but it can also damage our immune system, our nervous system, endocrine system, and even lead to death. Uh, Thankfully, I not got help with the support for the mental health. Professional, she is slowly making progress. It had been 20 years since I became a doctor. People are becoming more and more aware of healthcare for their bodies. We try to eat healthy, exercise regularly, get a good amount of quality sleep, and have a regular physical examinations to maintain our psychical health. But very few of us manage our mental health. This situation, uh, this situation must change there can be no health without mental health. It has taken decades for people to improve sanitation, which dramatically reduce the infectious disease and increase the average lifespan. I believe if we take actions how to build our psychological care, we will see further improvement in the quality of our cycle health and overall life of quality will also improve dramatically. Let's work together to ensure that the terrible feelings we described at the beginning become a scene of the past. Thank you, and thank you everyone, and good afternoon.